We all know that ions have an overall net charge. Molecules, on the other hand, have no net charge, or they're neutral, right? Electrically neutral. And the reality is that even though they're electrically neutral as a whole, the individual atoms that make up the molecule, well, some of them actually have charges on them. And we're going to go through a process of learning to calculate and get practice in calculating all of these individual charges that are on these atoms. And the specific name of this process is called calculating formal charge of the atoms. Now I want to introduce you to the formula. The formula is Fc equals Gn minus Ue minus Be